Hey everybody, it is SuperGirl KY here again with a Cricut creation, and today we are making a Thanksgiving door hanger. I started out simply by looking up Happy Thanksgiving. I found an image that I thought I could make into a possible door hanger sign by adding in the holes, which I later then just used a hole punch to make the holes because it was way less complicated. And the colors were good, everything looked great. When I was happy with the layout, I went ahead and clicked make it. Then I went ahead and laid out everything I was going to need, and I even got to use some leftover leaves from a previous project. Once everything was all cut out, I laid it out like how I was going to start gluing it. I went ahead and did just that. I started gluing everything. This is honestly a very simple project. This would be great for kindergarten classes to take home as a craft. It'd be great for pretty much any grade level, even classroom decor, home decor, any kind of decor. This is even great for the office. It's something quick and easy and recyclable if you don't want to store it. Now, like I mentioned, those leaves are from a previous project that I did last year. So what I did is I then glued them all around the outside, and I really truly think that this is what made the project. I will include a link to both the leaves and a link to the Happy Thanksgiving sign in the description below. And like I said, I ended up just hole punching it, way easier in my opinion. And I just used some simple gold ribbon that, if you ask me, goes with pretty much any holiday. And then I trimmed it. And like I said, I glued the leaves on the back just in random places around it. And you can see for yourself just how much additional eye-catchingness that adding the leaves did for this door hanger. Now, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you want to get a notification every time I post a new video, go ahead and click that bell. Leave a comment down below on any future designs you would like me to make. And as always, it has been a pleasure. I will include the links below, and have a super day.